Doing the cam bushings now. Shims. Cam shims.
We're installing the cam cover under the motor. So we got all our bolts in here now, the correct ones. We had to swap out first. And somebody put some ugly black paint on there.
Yeah.
I don't know what happened, it's all wrinkled up.
Yep.
We had to make sure you didn't have any dirt on the inside. So now we got to figure out shims. So we had the shim numbers written down up here. So we got to figure out what that is. Just have to have a couple shims. What numbers you want?
You got 31 on this number 1 here.
31.
That's the number you wrote there. What that means, I don't know.
This is 15 right here. This is 7, that's junk. This is 5, that's even worse than 7. And that's 7. So we got some thick ones here. What's this one? This one's a 15 again. These are discontinued 12. And these are discontinued 10. So we better get a big stack of these 15s out. Okay, that's what, 31?
Yep.
So how much we need?
31? 31 minus or
We want 10 thou.
21?
21. How do you get 21 from 15?
16 more. Oh, 6 more. Be a little much.
7 more. Somebody's lying. That's a 15. That's kind of a 13 and a half, 14. It said 7 over here, but it appears to be not 7 based on that one. First one I grabbed wrong. And it's a 5. That's. Were you in here mixing these up for me?
Nope.
You sure?
Nope.
Okay. I'll go with that. Here's one of them 14s again. There's a 7. 14 and 7 is how much?
14.
21.
21. You got that right on now.
Damn right. That's 1. 1 goes where?
1 goes in 1.
What number's that?
45.
That's too high. What's this one?
37.
So we need what? 15 toys?
Yeah.
14 toys. There's a 13. This is 2 put together. You're trying to confuse me. There's actually 3 of those put together there.
Got a little rust on that one. Huh?
No extra charge for the rust. That could be just red grease.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a 3. These appear to be slightly mixed up. Is that 2 or 1?
1. It is 2. Yep.
7. 6. 15. So 14 must be 2 more 2s. There you go. Okay, so now what do we got? We got 15 and 15. So we got 31. What do we want? 37. So we want 27, 28. So we got 32. That didn't work, does it? 23. So if we use a discontinued 12, we get close, right?
Yeah.
Good thing we got them discontinued 12s. That's why you buy in volume. Ooh, we want what, 27?
Yeah, pretty close.
We got 28.
Yeah.
Okay, that was number 3. That's 39, so we need like 30. Oh, that's pretty easy. We got that right here. And we got 31. They're cheating on the 5. 30, damn. These appear to be cheating on this 32 thing. So, okay, we'll see how that works.
Do you think 45 is not a right number up here?
That's 7. I don't know. How big is it?
It looks like a 4 or 5 you wrote down there.
So that means we need like 36, 7. This doesn't have a 7 right here. This is 5. It's 37. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
That was confusing.
Yeah.
Let me double check these.
Is your caliber working right?
Yeah, kind of. Almost 5 or 7. I've had this for a lot of years. The jaws are worn here in the very tip where they're real thin.
Mm-hmm.
So you got to measure in the back here where it's thicker.
Mm-hmm.
Can you get that in the camera? You see?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I was watching some of those videos. They kind of.
Yeah, I know. I get carried away.
My feet look nice.
You know, it's that cheap labor you get nowadays. It ain't worth a damn. Cheap Mexican labor, you know.
Okay, so now we got our shim. I wasn't going to scratch it.
Okay.
In case you get nervous there.
Oh.
Okay. So you can do it just right. It doesn't fall over too much.
Oh, good, man. I'll put a hand on it, too.
Well, if you put that under, it doesn't move either.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now we have to pull these all out to put them in.
Yep.
I'm not over here. I'm over here.
Okay. Yeah.
You thought you were kidding, weren't you?
I'm on it, man.
We can tell you're on something.
No respect.
Okay.
4 cams. 1 ain't enough.
No.
Gotta have 4,
How about 5?
5.
More the better, right?
I guess.
Have a 5 cam. Where's this one go?
Number 4.
Oh, okay. Nope. That looks better. Oh, you screwed it up over here, though. There you go. I'm trying to get that light to work again.
No, I'm just getting closer. You want the light? I can give you light.
Oh, I can see just fine.
More better, but light, huh?
So look at, I got them perfectly wrong. So look at that. That one's off 1, that one's off 2. Perfect. But I'm on this one.
Mm-hmm. Gino got him a new Corvette. New to him. You see it?
I didn't see it. I see a picture.
Okay. Appears that we are...
1 tooth off on that one.
Where? Oh, geez. You mixed me all up again. Yeah. What if I go like that?
Hey!
You happy now?
Bueno.
That was only 20-degree air. Come on.
Yeah. When
It's
Randy
20 degrees.
Randy gave me this engine back the first time I took it home. And they'd had it, you know. It wouldn't even turn over.
You're not
It
supposed to
hit
pick
the
on the
ground.
people that work on your stuff. You
Yeah,
feel me?
you're on
Yeah.
video.
You can only talk about me being bad.
Oh,
We have another problem.
what?
Where'd you get this gasket from?
It came in a kit probably.
Well, there seems to be a little issue with it.
Oh, you want to see what the other ones? Let me go. I got 2 more right here.
You have a slight oil leak right here. Okay, go get me a gasket. See, it's a good thing I just noticed that because I'm thinking the oil would leak from here and maybe go down that hole. Oh, there's no hole there. It would leak there. It would lubricate that number 2 cam really well, though. Oh, there's some more. Is that your Coca-Cola gaskets?
Yeah.
All right. How about getting one that's not an 81?
Here, boss. They're all the same.
I don't want an 81. Nope, there's one right there. That's different. See, this one's different.
That's the one.
Look at that.
Oh man, you mean it's actually right?
There's one.
That's why you get the big bucks, boss.
And look, you have 2 extra holes right here that we don't use.
Mm-hmm.
See, that was a bolt hole and a dowel hole.
These 2, right?
See, that's what you had on a real Sportster. You had these 2 holes. Now, this one here could be used too because see how it's all blocked in?
Mm-hmm.
So that would seal. Let's see, this one here would not seal if it's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
So this one here is the same gasket on the OD stamp, but they didn't stamp it that way, so it would work.
Would you rather have this one?
It's up to you. It's optional. You can have that one, or you can have this one. Which one do you like better?
Well, this one doesn't have that extra. Well, this one got another hole you don't need.
It has this hole extra.
Yeah, well, so does
And
this
it has
one.
this extra, but see, look, this
Don't
is not,
seal it.
you see that little
Mhm,
spot
yeah,
right there?
Yeah. Okay.
So
You're
I'm
only
thinking-
limited to this
Well, I'm
one.
thinking that this one's bad.
Mm-hmm.
We're not going to use it.
These came out of like James gasket kit,
Yeah, what was it?
Jan's or whatever.
They give you 15 gaskets for a reason. You're only supposed to use the one that fits.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go with this one right here.
Mm-hmm.
And see the other oil gallery's right down here. You got to make sure that one works too. But the problem area is always up here. Either you don't have the holes you need to seal the holes here, or these holes here don't line up and you leak oil here.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the problem with these gaskets. So this is the gasket that actually would fit all the way back to 57. So this is the one that's better, the gasket. It fits all the way back. The other ones they make, they don't have these holes right here, and it only fits your 71 to 70 to 80 gasket. So
That's going to seal good, huh?
yeah, it's going to seal just perfect. Now we know this didn't change our numbers any on our shims, didn't it?
Right.
Okay, good. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and put this on here. We had that gasket all form fitted too, remember?
Yeah, we'll shrink it down
Give
some.
me my special tool over here. Maybe that's why the other gasket didn't fit very well. Look at this one, it lines up. We don't have to form fit it.
That's because the Coca-Cola thing was holding it.
There you go, look at that one actually worked.
Everything goes better with Coke.
Cleaning your butt.
Cocaine, I mean. Oh, don't say that.
All right,
Oh!
officially and down. Now if this locks up now because you got paint inside the bushings, we know what the problem is?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Ain't no pain in there, I guarantee you, boss. I'd stake my life on it.
And you said it was no damage or anything too, I remember.
No damage.
All the parts that you won't bring over for me to look at, you said are perfect.
Anything Randy touched, I mean, anything that happened before, you know what I mean? Yeah, just say Randy did it. What the hell? He don't like it, he can sue me.
They might not know who Randy is.
They do.
Then it'd be all right.
There's only one Randy. Randy.
Okay, does it turn?
I was gonna say,
He had me for half a second, you know,
yeah, for a
and I'm
minute,
like,
I was going,
yeah.
whoa!
he's always doing that, man.
So you got that one tight spot in there.
Little bit, huh?
Right there, it's tight. Ugh. So we're going to have to tighten the cam cover up on the tight spot. All right. So now we know what that all is.
Yeah.
Now we need to figure out. We know we're not too tight. At least not super too tight. So you got to rotate around until you get to where the
Tight spot.
to where the lobe is where you can get to it.
Oh, yeah.
That is minimal clearance.
You gotta get custom push rods made for this. The intakes are quarter, it's all Harley. The bottom is Harley and the heads are Harley. But the heads being different, it's 1/4 inch long for the intakes.
How tight you want these?
On the minimum side, probably.
Tight enough to stick, but not tight enough to get.
Tight enough to spin, but not give me ear damage.
Oh. So you're gonna go for the 8, not the 12.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what I can't see in there.
You want to turn this light on?
Light is on.
Brighter.
Still can't see. Ooh, see better. Turn that down, though.
You know, I was thinking that the end play on one, a 412 for a panhead would be something on the order of 10,000 or less, maybe 6,000.
8 to 12 on. I don't care what cams they are.
Oh,
Okay, this one here we have at least 8.
there you go.
Now this number 2 over here, though, I don't think we had 8 in there. So it felt pretty tight.
Mm-hmm.
Now number 2 you can push over here on this side.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah.
So you shove it all the way to the outside. Then you put the feeler gauge in here. And the 8 goes in there tight, but it goes in. Okay, so you got about 9 on that one.
Cool.
So you're going to go to the next one over here.
Lobe is up.
Yep. A little bit in there. It's on the minimum side again. Oof, damn.
Oh, bright, huh?
Damn LEDs with new batteries. There you go, just went in there. Yeah, these are about 8 to 9 at most. Let me see that. So we're over here looking at the lobe right here. So turn the motor over. So the lobe comes up.
Oh, stop. Bitch.
You go down in here with a screwdriver. Rotate it out. I don't feel any play, but it's hard to feel it with your one arm being used here. Okay, then you go in here where you can't see because it's working the camera. And you stick your feeler gauge down in here and figure out what you got. And that one's not going in. I think this is the one that was going to be like 7 or something when I checked it. So this one's a little tight. And it's very minimal clearance. Alright, so these are right on the tight side. This one's too tight.
Okay.
And that one's got a lot of clearance.
Yeah.
Because we didn't put a washer on it. Do you have one of those phenolic red washers?
No, but you know, I always thought those things were always loose like that.
It doesn't really matter where they go, but...
That idler gear, you know.
Yeah,
You had a sporty, huh?
put a washer in there.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, so now we know what we got. So what do we got?
Tight one on number 4. Everything else is okay, right?
Loose
and
on
then-
number 5.
And real loose on number 5.
Where's number 5?
The idler.
Yeah.
But you know, I tell you, I always thought them things were pretty loose. But it sounds good to me to tighten. I always like things tighter. Especially my girlfriend.
So you want
can't get that too
you want
tight.
you want the stick in here instead of turning over freely like we make it.
Well, once it gets broke in, you know, I rev it up to about 10 grand for a few miles.
Yeah, but you have to get it broken in before it breaks. That's the problem.
Let's go out there and blast
You
that.
put it too tight and
You want to lean it over, boss?
it won't break. Why?
I thought shit might fall out. I don't know.
Only, what's going to fall out? There's nothing in there, is there?
Okay, cams.
Oh. Don't scratch it. If that drops, put a big gouge in that thing.
I won't put my hand underneath there so it'll crush my hand.
Move it over here. Okay, what number do you like?
Wait, you said a little bit tight, so go down what? Just a little, just a kosh.
Kosh?
Not a red hair, but a blonde hair.
Okay, this one's a 31. So you want to take out the 31. And you want to get one of those discontinued 12s. I tell where you're going. That's what you wanted, right? You know those cost.
We get everything on this engine, Jerry, within 1/10 of 1,000. Everything 1/10 of 1,000.
Yeah, some people might believe that too.
I believe it.
Okay, so now we got the discontinued 12 in there.
Quit
So-
moving, I'm trying to get it over here. You keep
So
moving
now
it.
we're down to 28 instead of 31.
Oh, heck. That's me. Somebody's calling me.
Okay. Break time.
You want to shut it down?
Yep.